Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2019 P389 factory built glider kit to show you. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 18 speed, full lockers, and only 463 on the clock. It's only got 3,000 miles and a complete engine overhaul done at Freightliner with warranty. I've gotten it hot, gonna do a full walk around, show you tires, brakes, blow by, oil pressure, basically everything that you want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent steers, air ride front. Blow by looks good. These are decals, so if you didn't like the green, that could come off. I have a solid black truck. Body and paint's immaculate. Overall, really clean, but it's going to have signs of a little bit of rust here and there. Stuff that can be cleaned up, but not perfect on it, basically. It does come with this high-end herd bumper. Keeps your grill and your fenders and your front end from getting damaged in any accident. Extremely nice moon fenders there. Michelin's on the back here. Again, the main part of the frame rail is in great shape, but you are going to have some rust exposure on the fifth wheel plate, some scaling right there, stuff that longevity-wise, long-term would be cleaned up and repainted. It does come with disc brakes as well, which is not common on glider kits. Platinum interior, window in the back. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.